All right, let me show you how to do this homework. You've got these chemicals to choose from, okay? So I'm gonna pick two. I'm gonna pick I don't know, I'm gonna pick magnesium sulfate, and then I'm gonna pick sodium hydroxide, okay? I'm gonna pick those two. So let's see. You would write sodium hydroxide first, because if you were looking at the periodic table, sodium is to the left of magnesium. So you would choose this one first. I don't care what order you do it in. I'm just telling you that's what you do. So I would say sodium hydroxide. I chose that one. And magnesium sulfate. Okay. Now I would finish the reaction. I'm like, okay, now sodium's going to be with sulfate, so that would be Na2SO4. And then let's see, and now magnesium is going to be with hydroxide, so it's going to be MgOH parentheses 2. All right, now I'm going to see which one of the, I got to balance it now. So I've got 2 sodiums there, so I'll need a 2 here. Then that gives me 2 hydroxides, so I'm good over there. 1 magnesium, good. 2, 1, 1, 1. So now I've done that much. And then the last thing that I have to do is figure out which one would be the precipitate. I'm going to tell you it's going to be magnesium hydroxide, because I can very easily look that up on my chemical equations, my NC Chem reference tables that you can see I can look up so easily. I just Googled it right up. And again, I'm going to be looking at page 6. And on page 6, I can see that the hydroxides right here are insoluble. So, yep, that's correct. That's what you have to do. Pick 2 of these chemical formulas, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to choose from. Write them down. Predict, switch their partners right here. Write the formula correctly. Like, you can't write NaSO4. You have to write the correct formula. And then balance them. And then circle what you think you would see in the test tube. Now, you could possibly pick something like NaCl and CuSO4. You could maybe pick this one and it not even make anything cool. That's fine, as long as you say, hey, that wouldn't be it. Now, you might not be able to circle your precipitate if you're typing it on a document, so you could highlight what you thought the precipitate was. I think it'd be easier for you to do to write this in your notebook and attach a picture. That'd be a lot easier than trying to type these chemical equations and using little subscripts and stuff. That's a pain in the butt. So write this, and don't forget, when you turn it in, people, you have to click turn in. You can't just upload it. You have to click turn in. You have to click on the turn in on your Google Classroom. This is going to be due on Wednesday. It's Monday.